Salaneta Tonga. Nangoli.
Thank you very much for the invitation to be here and also be part of this milestone. I'm also indeed honored and privileged to award you with your achievements. It is a very busy week in Suva as we start to launch our new democracy. The session in Parliament from Monday until midday today, but we valued your success and the award of your achievement today is something for the ministry to celebrate. We are gathered here to witness the success of you 32 public servants with the completion of the introductory Paravet training course. Today we will be presenting these U32 graduates your introductory Paravet certificates. So ladies and gentlemen, I congratulate you all on this very important occasion. This course is achieved with valuable assistance from the animal and health production of the Secretariat of the Pacific Community. This course is achieved with valuable. I wish to commend the veterinarians, Dr. Ken Dokanasinga, the two coordinators, Dr. Ilangi Puana and Dr. Alexander McLennan, the 6 tutors and senior management of the Animal Health and Production Division, and despite the challenging commitments, you have allocated time to provide valuable instructions and technical advice to our 32 participants. And that is how they managed to do well and successfully made it to this ceremony. Thank you so much. As always emphasized by our Honourable Minister for Agriculture, there is a need for our staff to have visionary power, a commitment to learn, the willingness to change and to improve performance in order to effectively accomplish our mutual goal, something all individual or us in the ministry must adopt. Training and upskilling of our workforce plays a very important role in building an organization. The strength of the organization is a product of knowledge and skills of its workforce. This is also necessary for our ministry, especially in the field of agriculture and particularly for the livestock and the veterinary services. Ladies and gentlemen, I firmly believe that the development of our young workforce is vital, as you are the front line in our service delivery. Your role is important, and that is why you were selected for this training. Now that you have been trained, the expectation is there that you will implement your knowledge and skills successfully to create the impact for the benefit of our farmers. This very moment we recognize that you participants have endured through the 14 to 16 weeks to complete this course with hours of commitment. I agree with you, it was not easy. This course was also a procedure to assess the capabilities of you officers to be developed and further develop your career in this field. We also recognize the 3 stressful days of emergency response plan exercise carried out here in the West. The exercise is of great importance as we approach the cyclone season. This knowledge will become essential. Graduates, the certificates that you will be receiving today will serve as a continuous reminder that there is no limitation to acquiring knowledge. Even with challenges still, you will be able to succeed. The result of right attitude and commitment, you are now para-veterans and you face and tackle the inevitable changes. Hold true to yourself. Remember to hold on to your values, your work ethics, and most importantly, your humanity. It is these qualities that will guide you further in your journey. Ladies and gentlemen, I wish to end in saying that may this event serve as a motivation to all of our officers. I have faith that the collaboration between SPC and the Ministry of Agriculture will be intact and more events of such will continue to occur in the future. To you graduates, may you serve with inspiration, remembered for caring enough, for helping someone, for making someone feel special, and be respected for being the kind of person that others enjoy working with. I have no doubt that you will rise confidently and carry the Ministry of Agriculture banner smoothly, even when things get tougher in the unpredictable journey ahead. With these words, thank you and God bless you all. Nabaliw.